Dear students, welcome to your moral science class, Value Education, chapter number 4, My Teacher. This is the story of Shakil. My name is Shakil. This is my teacher, Miss Anita. Miss Anita is a very kind person. She is always happy and cheerful. She always smiles at us. Children, Miss Anita is a very kind person. She is a very nice person, always happy and cheerful. The person who is always happy and cheerful, you can understand when you see the smile on that person. You too, all the students, you have a beautiful smile, right? Same way did Miss Anita have. I talk to my teacher nicely and wish her when I meet her. I behave well in class. So as a student, Shakil used to talk very nicely to his teacher and wish or greet her whenever they met. Now children, you are all staying in Chittaranjan, Mihijam, Rupnayanpur, right? Your teachers also belong from the same place. So whenever you see any of your teachers, you should always wish them. Greet them with good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever it is. So you should always behave well in class also. Nowadays in online class, you know how to behave well. In online class, how can you behave well? By sitting in a nice posture, by wearing a good uniform. And very importantly, if your teacher doesn't ask you to unmute, please do not unmute in your class because there is some issues. So these are some ways in which you can behave well in class. Okay. Next. Miss Anita is my class teacher. She teaches us English and maths. She is very clever. She teaches us very well. Miss Anita is your class teacher. Is Shakil's class teacher. What is the name of your class teacher, children? And I hope your class teachers also teach you English and maths. Teachers are always clever. You are all so intelligent, children. You are so intelligent, you are so smart. So your teachers have to be clever with you. Teacher always tries to teach well. If the teacher teaches well, only then you can understand the chapter. My teacher works very hard. She tells us to work hard because she wants us to learn better. I listen to my teacher when she teaches. This is Shakil who is saying, my teacher works very hard. She works hard and she wants Shakil also to work hard because only if you work hard you can learn better. He listens to his teacher when the teacher teaches. So he pays full attention in class. Children, not only teachers but your elders, whenever they say something, you should listen to them. Now we'll read the next line. I do the homework that she gives. These help me to learn better. When I do not know how to do something, my teacher shows me how to do it correctly. Now, you should always do your homework on time. So, Shakil does. Like Shakil is a good student, he does all his homework on time. Because if he does it on time, he doesn't have to do more in the next day. These help him to learn better. When I don't know how to do something, my teacher shows me to do it correctly. Children, if you find anything difficult, you can ask your teacher. Your teacher will repeatedly try to explain you the same thing. So the teacher, Miss Anita, also tried to explain him how to do anything correctly. My teacher knows a lot of things. She happily answers all my questions. Teacher, Miss Anita knows many things. See, here in this picture, the teacher is showing them maybe some story. She happily answers the questions. Children, the teachers do not get irritated. They have lot of patience to answer you. Miss Anita loves everyone in class. For Miss Anita, everyone was the same. She cares for all of us and is like a mother to us. We all love her too. The teacher, Miss Anita, she loves them. She cares for them like your mothers do. With this, I want to say you something, children. That is, nowadays during your online class, your teachers are teaching you, and at home your mummy or your papa is teaching you, right? You should listen to them. They are your first teachers. We are the second teachers, okay? Nowadays you should always listen to your parents. They too work very hard, children. Even though you don't understand now, you are very small, but if you observe, your mama is full day she is working. We all love her too. Students, do you love your teacher? Yes. So, Shakil and his all classmates loved Miss Anita. She was the class teacher. Our teachers work hard so that we can learn. We thank God for giving us good teachers. So the teachers give you good values, they work hard, they make you learn, and they bring out the best in you. So thank God for giving you good teachers. Now this is, children, if you think you have got a good and nice teacher, after seeing this video, you also give thanks for such a nice teacher. Thank you, children. Keep learning, keep watching. God bless you all.